Legendary moment, win again! What did I tell you? Amazing strategy! Hi, I'm Emily. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an author's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write to me in private messages, I want to join the VIP. See you! Watch this video carefully and you will learn one of my main principles in trading, which helps me to consistently earn good money. Friends, today I will tell you about a new strategy for trading on binary options. It is quite fast, at the same time interesting and of course effective. We go to the trading platform, I use Pocket Options. I will leave the original link to the platform itself in the description. In the chart types, we select as always candle. The time frame for this strategy is strictly 15 seconds. The trading time is 1 minute. I choose the bet, let it be $105. Next, go to the Indicator tab, select the MACD and Stochastic Oscillator indicators. We go into the settings of MACD indicator and set the values: fast period 13, slow period 27, signal period 8. Click Save. We go into the settings of the second indicator Stochastic Oscillator and set the settings for it: K period 26, D period 6, slow down 6, moving average SMA. Click Save. Do not forget about money management and everything is ready to start. So, in this strategy, our entry point is a double simultaneous intersection of two indicator lines. For example, here's the same situation. Here both indicator lines crossed at the same time. Pay attention, there was no such thing that at first the green and red lines of the indicator crossed, and then only after a few candles the yellow and blue crossed. No, in a situation like this, do not open a trade. Again, the intersection of the two indicators must occur simultaneously at the same time. This is the signal to open a trade. And then we look at the direction in which one indicator lines are moving. If they move up, then we open up a trade. If they move down, then accordingly we open a bet for a fall. And now about my trading principle, friends. Don't worry about missing what you think are good entry points. Don't forget that in this strategy we only have 15 seconds per trade. This strategy is suitable for any currency pair, so do not worry, be patient, the market will always give you a new opportunity, even better than the previous time. It is patience and cold head that are your best assistant in trading, after a good mentor of course. Now let's move on to practice, friends. Let's now find some situations and test strategy for profitability. We find the simultaneous intersection of the indicator lines, see their direction and put them on the decrease. We are waiting 1 minute. We lost sadly. That's okay, this happens. Let's find another situation and see if we can win back. Friends, I will be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Found the situation on Euro-Pound pair. Lines crossed, entering trade up and the next bar almost instantly going up. Sadly, the next two bars opened down, so we lost 2 trades in the row. Almost instantly I found another situation. Entering down, wait, easy win. Entering trade down. wasn't confident, but win is a win. Waiting for the next bar and entering trade up. Calmly taking $96 net. So we won back our 2 losses and even got some profit. Let's see if we can develop a winning streak for more and get some huge profit. Entering down a little bit early, trying to get the best entry point. Next bar opened down, so taking our profit with no problem. I see the situation, I wait for the fulfillment of the conditions of the strategy and calmly enter a down trade. Calm, confident victory. After a bad start, we made 5 wins in a row. Excellent result! Friends, today I showed you a very fast strategy in which you can really find a lot of entry points, a lot of successful situations. But of course, you need to be careful and attentive. Follow all the rules of this strategy. For today I have everything. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video and my new strategy, subscribe to my channel, like this video. See you very soon in my next video.